Every day, you probably visit dozens of websites. When your device is turned on, you launch your browser and type google.com into the address box. In order to find information, data visualization, and other things, you'll then visit other websites based on your Google search. Anyway, I'm simply presenting examples so you can see how you might be able to produce cash streams totaling $4,000 each time you browse a page. Isn't that unbelievable? That sum of money is not exaggeration. I'll demonstrate how to get there quickly in today's video. Keep watching to the very end to find out the secret strategy, and by the time this video is over, you'll be productive and well on your path to financial independence. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's start with Upvoice, which is the initial website. Actually, it's more of a browser extension for your Google Chrome browser than much of a website. That's right, this technique only functions with Google Chrome. Anyway, let's explore the website a bit before moving on to the registration and download steps. We can now discover Upvoice on their informational page, where you may start earning gift cards simply browsing social media sites on your computer. This is absolutely for you if you use social media frequently, or even if you consider yourself a social media junkie. But in today's day and age, I believe everyone uses social media. Therefore, this method will be successful for everyone. How then does this operate? Well, as you can see, there are just 3 simple steps required to complete everything. After joining up, the first step is to install the Upvoice browser extension, which we'll cover in a moment. The setup is secure, cost-free, and easy to use. The second step is to go to the social networking sites they support and use, and then follow the instructions there. Step 3 is to almost succeed. Avoid quality records advertisements while you explore social networking sites and awards you daily points that can be exchanged for gift cards when you do so. You're essentially free to browse the websites further and find any relevant content that you believe will fill up the knowledge gap. Feel free to scroll and browse the entire page as it has all the information you need. If everything is to your satisfaction, click the blue sign up button in the center to start the sign up process. You will then be directed to this page where you may now formally start the registration process. Choose the option that best meets your needs from Google, Microsoft, or Yahoo to sign in. Return to the steps after signing up and start with step 1, which is adding the extension to your browser. Once you've done this, you'll have the capacity to create a source of income that enables you to earn money quickly while doing what you enjoy doing online, visiting social media sites. You can carry out this action while in bed, standing in line for groceries, or simply casually browsing your favorite apps. Imagine how simple it would be to accomplish this and create a passive income stream. Therefore, Upvoice is almost over, and we can now move on to the next website for today's video. Brave.com. You should be aware that Brave is essentially a browser similar to Google, but unlike Google, it provides excellent results that are accurate matches for your search terms. In some ways, Brave is identical. It offers the same level of effectiveness, straightforward navigation, and swift results that are very pertinent to your search. The single word money serves as Brave's defining characteristic. By surfing and helping your favorite content producers, you can actually make money with Brave. As I have stated, you will benefit from all of these websites, making you the center of the universe and ensuring that they all operate in your favor. Brave runs flawlessly on every device you possess, and what's even cooler is that you may use it on either Android or iOS at your discretion, because they both support it just well. Since it can be downloaded from both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, everything is just a big chef's kiss. Brave has received more than 50 million downloads altogether, with an insanely low average rating of 4.7 stars out of a possible 5. The average rating for applications is only about 3 stars. Therefore, Brave is undoubtedly rated higher than the global average. Additionally, as you can see, there are a range of incredibly good remarks and reviews. There can be no question about this app's integrity and legitimacy given its stellar reputation. QMe.com is the third and final website for the video of the day. Since QMe is a platform where you can express your opinions and shop to earn real cash rewards, you will immediately understand what it is all about. You will earn actual cash, not just swag or points, so keep that in mind. By the way, they definitely highlight this, and their website is very comprehensive, so you can find out everything you need to know straight away. Let's take a look around. You can see the three main things that QMe has to offer by scrolling a little bit below. Surveys first. Companies are interested in your opinion and are willing to pay for it. Cashback is the second. Enjoy your wallet being a little bit bigger at the end of the month by earning cashback on fantastic purchases. Deals. At last. Find discounts on the most well-known brands or just let them show you the options you prefer. They will all descend from this one sizable QMe platform. Scroll down to see their absolutely fantastic response. There's somewhat of a big deal with decent Trustpilot ratings, as they just indicated. You're in good hands because Trustpilot is a reliable resource for evaluating how successful a website is. Learn how everything functions next. QMe will do all the work for you because getting started only requires a few easy actions. Simply complete surveys while performing your routine daily tasks. Fill out surveys to earn money during your downtime while studying, doing the most random things in life, or even on your morning commute. You can quickly claim your money if you have a PayPal account. After that, simply go back to the website's top and start the sign-up procedure right away. There's only one thing left for you to do after entering your email address and password. Click the sign up button. The unfortunate thing about QMe is that it is only presently offered in a select group of nations, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and France. You should be fine if you reside in one of these nations. If not, a VPN must be used in order to access the service. Now that there are numerous free VPN providers available online, just pick the one that suits your needs the best. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notified bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.